When you're looking for a quality drive shaft replacement, Dorman has the perfect solution to keep you rolling. We offer thousands of ready-to-install, 100% new drive shafts that are fully assembled in the United States. They're built with better quality from end to end. We start with new metal tubes cut to precise dimensions before they're fitted with new yokes. Our continuous monitoring process ensures the shaft remains straight throughout, including final assembly of U-joints, bearings, and other fittings. Final heat straightening ensures run-out accuracy to within 1/1000th of an inch before each completed shaft undergoes final bidirectional balancing. To simplify future service work, Dorman uses quality U-joints that are secured with clips instead of stake joints many OE designs use. To make longer drive shafts more convenient to ship, they're manufactured as either 2- or 3-piece designs that are pre-balanced and keyed to perfectly match up with each other and remain balanced during installation. Completed drive shafts are packed in special heavy-duty boxes to protect them during shipping, allowing for convenient parcel truck delivery. We back our drive shafts with a limited lifetime warranty. And because each drive shaft we build is new, there's never a core to return. That's why when you want a quality drive shaft you can trust, check Dorman first.